Alright, I have a hard time getting pictures of the guy here, so I'm going to take video and I'll upload it to my YouTube channel here. So you can see him. He won't sit still long enough to get a picture of him. Of course, he wants to. He's playful, as you can tell, very playful. Alright, you little guy. Kitty. Yeah. Yeah, he's a playful little guy. The reason why it is black, just to let you know, the reason why his hair is showing brown is because of the sunlight, just to let you know. So, he is black. He's all black. Hey, kitty. Yeah, he doesn't want. So you can tell he doesn't want to sit still long enough to get pictures. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.